So, hello and welcome back. And yes, we have some first images of the new Technic set, the Peugeot 9x8 Hypercar. So, it's a Technic set, as you can see, 18 plus here. Set number 42156 contains 1775 pieces, coming accordingly, allegedly, May 1st, 2023, and should be 170 euros or dollars. So we have one picture from back. I believe these are the Canadian dollars. So the picture is not that really good, so I can't really see the. But yeah, this one I believe it was Lego Ideas. Not really sure. It is Le Mans, 24 hours Le Mans. But yeah, I believe there was something on Lego Ideas similar to this, if not the same. So I don't wanna say 100% sure, but yeah, I believe it's one from the Lego Ideas. So this might be good rumor, might be bad one, not really sure, since it is still on Lego Ideas. So take this as a maybe yes, maybe no. So, but since we have this price tag over here, it might be. And I saw one image of a box in a car. So write me in the comments what you think. You wanna get this, if it's really a this or no. Is it something that you like? I mean, 24 hours a month is always nice, but Peugeot, not really my cup of tea. But yeah, we will see. It might be, might be not. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like and follow, and I hope I can see you on next one. So till next one, see you.